The next $2.5 trillion revolution has already begun, and a major part of it, it's happening right here in India. According to nasscom's Global ER&D Shift Report, global ER&D spend is exploding from $1.5 trillion to nearly $2.5 trillion by 2030. Why? Because everything is becoming smart, connected, autonomous, AI-driven, 5G to 6G, edge, AI, semiconductors. Engineering is being rewritten. But there's one problem. Companies everywhere lack the skills to build this future. 85 to 90% of enterprises say they face critical engineering talent shortages. Companies no longer come for cost, they come for capability and innovation. India hosts 1,700 plus global capability centers powering chips, EVs, medical devices, satellites, and 5G. 80% plus of global semiconductor firms have R&D in India. India has filed 86,000 plus AI patents and is training 1 million people in AI. India isn't participating in the future, it's building it. Robots repairing power lines, edge AI inspecting defects with 90% accuracy, SDV platforms powering next-gen EVs. These aren't demos, these are deployed from India. GenAI copilots, agentic AI, quantum-assisted simulations, physical AI for robotics. Engineering isn't slowing down, it's about to accelerate. The world isn't outsourcing engineering anymore, it's co-innovating with India. India is becoming the engineering brain of the world.